Now create use database. Use database has also been finished. Now to create table at first we have to understand what is table. Table is a entity on database with the help of which we can store information about certain entity, just like student, teacher, salary. For those entities we can create table, and the syntax is create table. This is the keyword. After that we have to write table name, and here is small bracket, and within small bracket we have to write column name. Column name can be just like roll number, address, and after that we have to write data type. Data type, it can be int, it can be varchar, it can be double, so that is data type. And we have to specify the size of data type in bracket code, small bracket. And if we have certain constraints, constraints are rules. If we have certain constraints, then we have to write constraints also. About this data type constraints we'll learn later on. For now we are just creating a table. Here create table, my tab is table name. Create table, my tab is table name. Curly bracket starts from here. Curly bracket starts from here. Serial number int, name varchar, role int, role is primary key, and address is varchar. Address is varchar. Now let's see a example. Let's see an example. Let's create a table at first. I am using Sahakari. Let's change database. Let's use Pawan 1. Pawan 1 just now we have created. Use Pawan 1. Database is changed and Pawan 1 is used now. After that, create table. Create table, and after that table name. Table is also required. Create table, table name, suppose student, small bracket, role is integer type, comma, I am pressing enter, semicolon is not given, so the command is not finished yet. Role int, similarly name should be varchar, and size is 30. I have specified the size of varchar to be 30. In int, if we don't give its size, it will take default size. Name is varchar, comma, similarly let's put address. Address is also varchar. Address be suppose size of 100. And after that I am putting closing this bracket also. One bracket is for varchar and next bracket is for table. We are closing table, and after that we have to put semicolon. Now query OK, 0 row affected. That means we have already created table. We have already created table named student. To see that table, we have to write show tables. Now we can see there is one table student. So in this way we can create a table. Now we are just creating a table, and I have not explained about all these terms. What is varchar, what is int. I haven't explained about these data types, and similarly I haven't explained about primary key, foreign key, those constraints, null, not null. So I will explain all these things later on if we after we continue this class. For now we have created a table, and this is the syntax for creating a table, and we have to just memorize this syntax, and we have to understand what we have done over here. Thank you.